How to solve iPhone issues with receiving texts from Android devices. If your iPhone isn't receiving texts from Android devices, it can be frustrating. This usually involves issues with SMS or MMS sightings, network issues, or messaging services like iMessage. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. 1. Check cellular network connection. Make sure your iPhone has a stable cellular signal. Try toggling airplane mode on and off. Go to Settings, Airplane Mode, turn it on, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Restart your iPhone to refresh the network connection. 2. Ensure SMS or MMS is enabled. Go to Settings, Messages. Ensure Send as SMS is turned on. If you're expecting media messages, also enable MMS messaging. 3. Reset network settings. This often fixes messaging issues between iPhone and Android. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Note, this will erase Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks afterward. 4. Check blocked numbers. Go to Settings, Phone, Blocked Contacts. Ensure the sender's number is not blocked. 5. Update carrier settings. Carrier updates fix SMS delivery issues. Go to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt to update carrier settings. 6. Disable iMessage temporarily. Sometimes iMessage can interfere if someone switched from iPhone to Android. Go to Settings, Messages, iMessage, and turn it off. Ask the sender to try sending a regular SMS again. 7. Check date and time settings. Incorrect time can prevent message delivery. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Enable Set Automatically. 8. Contact your carrier. Sometimes the issue is with your mobile network. Ask if there are any SMS or MMS restrictions or outages affecting your account. 9. For senders who switched from iPhone to Android. If the sender was previously using an iPhone, their number may still be registered with iMessage. They need to deregister iMessage. Visit Apple's Deregister iMessage page. 10. Check for iOS updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates to ensure all messaging features work properly. If these steps don't fix the problem, the issue is likely network-related or carrier-specific.